Good morning, class. It's me once again, your teacher guy, and today we're gonna have our new lesson in math. But before that, let us review on the last lesson about 2D shapes and quadrilaterals. We will have an activity using your notebook on quadrilateral because we don't have class last Friday, and then we will continue on answering our worksheet in our new lesson about 3D shapes or three-dimensional shapes. But before that, before we will continue, let's have our rules. The first rule is sit down properly. The next is keep quiet and listen. The third is watch our video lesson, and then the fourth is answer our worksheet or our sheet work after our class or our lesson. So today, what is the day today? Anybody who can answer what is the day today? Today it's Tuesday, okay? 26th of the October, and it's year 2021. Okay, please prepare your worksheet and your pencil and eraser. So this will be our 3D worksheet, and at the same time we will have our 2D activity, which was we haven't do it last Friday because we don't have a class. Okay, let's proceed. So today we're going to review about 2D shapes and quadrilaterals. Okay, and after our lesson, we will be able to review and recall the 2D shapes and review and recall the quadrilaterals. Okay, 2D shapes. So these are 2D shapes. We have circle, we have square, rectangle, octagon, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, triangle, trapezium, oval or ellipse, and rhombus. So these are our 2D shapes. So some 2D shapes has straight sides and corners. So this one, so it has straight sides and corners. So triangle has 3 sides, quadrilateral or the square has 4 sides, pentagon has 5 sides, 1 2 3 4 5, hexagon has 6 sides, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So straight sides, okay, when you say straight, this one, these are the sides, okay, it has straight sides. And then corners, okay, corners. So what is corners? This one, these are the corners. Okay, sides, okay, so this one, okay, these are corners. Again, corners. Okay, these are corners. Okay, square has 4 corners, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, pentagon has 5 corners also, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So hexagon. So some 2D shapes has straight sides and corners. Okay, next. Okay, some 2D shapes has curved sides. Curved sides and no corners. Again, some 2D shapes has curved sides and no corners. This one is a circle. It has curved side. This one is what we call the curve. The curved side. And ellipse. Okay, this is ellipse. It has a curved side. Curved side. Curved side. Okay? In ellipse also, it has curved side and curved side and no corners. No, these figures, this shape has no corners. Same like triangle, square, hexagon, pentagon. So those have corners, but this one, the circle and the ellipse, okay, has or no corners. Okay, they have no corners, only curved sides. Okay, this one. Okay, so next we have quadrilateral. Okay, let's go to quadrilateral. Okay, remember what is a quadri? Anybody? A quadri is what? Again? What is a quadri? Quadri. That is 4. When you say quadri, that is 4. For lateral means, what is that? Everybody who can remember? Quadri is 4. Lateral is what? Sides. Okay? In other words, quadrilateral is a 4 sides or a 4-sided shape. So, let's have vocabularies. Let's remember the vocabularies that we had. We have quadrilateral. Okay, quadrilateral. 2D. Rectangle. Square. Rhombus. Trapezoid. We have parallelogram. Again, parallelogram. Next, we have kite. Okay, remember these vocabularies about quadrilateral. We can use this one every time we had our lesson in shapes. Okay, next we have, okay, quadrilateral is a 2D shape having 4 sides. Again, it's a 2D shape having 4 sides. Okay, all 2D shapes are what? Closed shapes. Remember, all 2D shapes are closed shapes. So this one is an open. Okay, an open. The one of the sides, okay, is open. So this is not a 2D. This is open. Okay, so this is not open. This is not a 2D. So this one is closed. So this is a 2D shape. Next, we have this one, a pentagon. So this one is open. So it is not a 2D shape. So the other one is a closed shape. So this one is a 2D shape. So all 2D shapes are closed shapes. So this one is a square. A square has 4 sides. Okay, 4 sides. All the sides, the length of the sides are the same. The length of the sides are the same. 4 sides are the same. So 1 and 2, 3, and 4 are the same side. So we call that one as square. Okay, square. Next, we have, what is this? Okay, this is a rectangle. So a rectangle also has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 opposite sides are the same. So 2 opposite sides. So the one side and the 3 side are the same, while the 4 and the 2 side, the number 4 side and number 2 side are the same. So 1 and 3 are the same length. 2 and 4 are the same length. So 2 opposite sides are the same. We call that one as rectangle. Okay, rectangle. Next, what's next? We have, what is this? Anybody can answer? This is a what? Rhombus. Okay, this is a rhombus. A rhombus is the same as square, but again, the side is inclined. Okay, like this. Okay, like that. Inclined possession. Okay, inclined possession. So this one, that is inclined. But they are what? They are in the same sides. Okay, it has 4 sides. 3, 4. Okay, 4 sides are the same. So this one side, 2 side, 3 sides, and 4 sides are the same in length. So they are the same in length. The only thing is that this side here is what? Inclined. Okay, inclined. So we call that one as rhombus. Again, rhombus. Okay, next. What's next? We have, okay, this one is, what is this? Parallelogram. Okay, this is a parallelogram. So again, it is like what? It is like what? A rectangle. Okay, again, it is like a rectangle, but the sides are, this one, the 2 sides are inclined. Okay, same like that. What else? Same like this. Nah? Inclined, inclined, inclined. So 2 sides are inclined, but the 4 sides are, the length are the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 4 sides are the same. The 2 opposite sides are the same. So 2 opposite sides, again, 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are the same. 1 and 3, this one, 1 and 3 are the same, while 4 and 2 are the same length, or are the same size. Okay, so we call that one as parallelogram. Again, parallelogram. Okay, next we have, what is this? We have, anybody who can figure this one? What quadrilateral shape is this? This is what? This is what? Trapezoid. So a trapezoid is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 sides. Okay. Now, one opposite sides are the same. So what sides of this trapezoid are the same? So we have 4. The length of the 4 side, number 4 side, is the same as the length of number 2 side. So 4 and 2 sides, one opposite, this one, number 4 is opposite is number 2. 4 opposite is number 2. So are the same. So they have the same length. Now, number 1 is what? Number 1 and 3 are not the same sides, or their length are not the same. This one is short, this one is long. So side number 1 and side number 3 are not the same. So only one opposite sides are the same, which is 4 and number 2 are the same or have the same sides. Okay, so we call that one as trapezoid. Again, trapezoid. Okay, next we have Now what's next? We have, what is this? This is a what? This is a kite. Okay, this is a kite. Now, a kite has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and it is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides. And the 2 sides next to each other are the same. Okay, 2 sides next to each other are the same. So what sides? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this one are next to each other, 1 and 2. So they have what? The same side. And then 3 and 4, also next to each other, are the same. Okay, so the sides are the same. So that is the characteristic of kite. So again, let us read kite. Once more, kite. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let us name the quadrilaterals that we have learned. So what is this? This is a square. Okay, this is a square. Next, we have, what is this? Rectangle. Rectangle. Next, this one. Rhombus. This is a rhombus. Next, we have this one. Parallelogram. Okay, parallelogram. Look at rectangle and parallelogram. They are the same. Huh? They are the same, but only these sides. Okay, inclined. This one, square and rhombus. They are, the pictures look like the same, but the sides are inclined. Next, we have, what is this? Trapezoid. That is a trapezoid. The one side, the 2 sides are equal or are the same, while this one, the upper side and the lower side are not the same. This one is short, this one is long. So we call that one as trapezoid. Next, what is this? Kite. So this is a kite. So it has 4 sides. The 2 sides that are next to each other are the same. So this one are the same. And 3 and 4 are the is same. So we call that one as kite. So, very good. So again, this one. Let us check if you can answer this one. Is this a quadrilateral? Okay, this is not a quadrilateral. It has what? 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is what? A pentagon, because it has 5 sides. So it is not a quadrilateral. Okay, next we have this one. It is a triangle. So it is not a quadrilateral. It has 3 sides. Okay, next we have, what is this? A trapezoid. Okay, this is a trapezoid. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is a quadrilateral. Next, this one. What do you think? Is this a quadrilateral? Or it is not a quadrilateral? What's your answer? Okay, it is not a quadrilateral. Why? Why? Because what? It has an open side. This is not a 2D side. This is not a quadrilateral side. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides, a 4-sided, but the sides are open. So remember, 2D shapes are closed shapes. It is not an open shape. Okay, so this is not a quadrilateral because it is open. It is not closed. Okay, let's practice. Let's practice. Identify the following objects: square, rectangle, trapezoid, rhombus, parallelogram, or kite. So this one, what is this? Is this a square, a rectangle, a trapezoid, a rhombus, a parallelogram, or kite? What is your answer? That is a what? A clock. This is a square. Okay, this is a square. Look at, this is a square. Next, this one, a flat screen television. What is this? A rectangle. Very good. This is a rectangle. Next, we have a traffic sign. This is a traffic sign. You can see this one on the road, on the streets. What is this? What shape is that? Rhombus. Okay, that is a rhombus. Next, this one. What is this? What shape is this? Parallelogram. That is a parallelogram. Very good. Number 5. This one. A clock. What shape is this? This is a rhombus. That is a rhombus. Number 6. What is this? A house. A house is like a what? What shape is that? Parallelogram. Parallelogram. Number 7. This one is very, very easy. What is this? A kite. Okay, that is a kite. That the 2 sides that are next to each other are the same. So this one is the same, and then this one is the same. The length of the sides are the same. So that is a kite. Number 8, this one, speaker. What is this? A rectangle. Very good. Number 9, this one, a bag. What is this? This is like a case, an attached case. What is this? Okay, that is a what? Trapezoid. That is a trapezoid. This one is the same, while this one is short, this one is long. So trapezoid. This one, number 10. A grocery bag. What is this? Trapezoid. Very good. 11. A ring. What is this? A ring. What shape is this? A kite. Very good. Next. Okay. So that is our review for our last lesson that we had. Okay, let us continue on. Today we're going to learn about 3D, three-dimensional shapes. Again, let us read 3D, three-dimensional shapes. Okay, so what is a 3D? What is a 3D? 3D shapes are solid shapes, have 3 dimensions, which are length, width, and height. Again, 3D shapes are solid shapes, have 3 dimensions, which are length, width, and height. So what is the picture of that? This one, a box. This is a solid shape. Solid shapes. It has height, length, and width. So length, width, and height. So this is a 3D shape. It is a box of 3D shape. Okay, so remember this one. A 3D shape has length, width, and height. Length, width, and height. Let's continue. And after our lesson, we will be able to name different kinds of 3D shapes and its characteristics. Okay, name different kinds of 3D shapes and its characteristics. Before we continue on our lesson, let's have vocabularies of our lesson. We have number 1, cylinder. Let us read cylinder. Again, cylinder. Number 2, we have spare. Spare. Cone. What's more? Let us read cone. Number 4, we have cube. Number 5, we have cuboid. Number 6, we have pyramid. Okay, let us read again. Go. Cylinder. Spare. Cone. Cube. Cuboid. Pyramid. Okay, so this is our vocabularies of our lesson. Let us continue. 3D shapes. So this is a 3D shape. It is a solid shape. So what is this? This is what we call cylinder. This is a cylinder. So a cylinder has, look at the battery, it is a cylinder. A Pepsi can, it is a cylinder. A battery and a tin can. So it looks like a cylinder. So a cylinder has what? This one is face. This one is face. So it has one face, two face, and three face. So it has three faces. Next, a cylinder has, this is what we call sides. This is a side. This is a face. This is a face. This is a side. So a cylinder has one side and the other side, two sides. So a cylinder has two sides. Now, what else? Okay, a cylinder has 0 corners. 0 corners. Next, this one is what we call spare. A spare is like a what? It has one face. It has one face. A spare is like a basketball. Only one face. Football glue. This one is our planet Earth. So all the round objects is what we call spare. This is around, 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 around. So a round object. So this one is spare. It has one face, 0 sides, and next, 0 corners. Again, a spare has one face. This one face, no sides, and 0 corners. Same like if cylinder has sides here, this one has no sides, only one face. So that is spare. Next, we have, this one is what we call cone. This is a cone. So a cone has one face. This one face also, one face, and two face. So it has two faces. And then next, this is a tropic cone, and an ice cream it looks like a cone, ice cream cone. And next we have, what is this? That is a what? Corner. So a cone has one corner. This one corner, and what is this? Remember, what is this? This is a, if this is a face, this is what? A side. So a cone has one side. So again, a cone has two faces, one face, two face, one corner, and one side. This one side. So that is a cone. Next. This one, what is this? This is what we call cube. This is what we call cube. So one face. Try to check how many faces does a cube have. Okay, this is a cube. Look at. That is a cube. It is like a square. But this one is 3D. So one face. A cube has one face. Two face. Three face. Four face. Five face. And six face. So a cube has 6 faces. Now, how many are what? The corners and the sides. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a cube has 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has 8 corners. Remember this one. These are corners. Corners, 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 and corners. Let us check how many sides does the cube have. So this one, these are the sides. So how many sides does the cube have? So let us count. So 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides, 7 sides, 8 sides, 9 sides, 10 sides, 11 sides, and 12 sides. So the cube has 12 sides. Next. This one is what we call cuboid. So what are examples of cuboid? We have, okay, this one, a box. Same like a rectangle box, but this one is 3D. So this is what we call cuboid. So how many faces does the cuboid have? So let us count. So that is 1 face. Okay, 1 face. This one is 2 face. 3 face. 4 face. 5 face, and 6 faces. Okay, so cuboid has 6 faces. It has 6 faces, the same like a cube. Next, how many corners? Okay, it has 8 corners. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So 8 corners. Next, how many sides? This one, how many sides we have? How many sides we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So it has what? 12 sides. So cuboid has 6 faces, 8 corners, and 12 sides. These are the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it has 12 sides. Next, let's continue. What's next? We have this one. This one is what we call a pyramid. So what are examples of pyramid? This one. So triangular pyramid, square triangular pyramid, this one, square pyramid, this one. Look at this one and this one are the same. So it has a square pyramid. This is a square pyramid. Next, this one is a pentagonal pyramid. Pentagonal pyramid. It has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has 5 sides. And what is that? That is a corner. So it has 5 sides and a corner. So a pyramid has 1 face, a 2 face, three face, four face, and 5 faces. So it has 5 faces. So how many corners? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has 5 corners. And then how many sides? How many sides? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a pyramid has 8 sides. So it has 5 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 faces. Corners 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 corners, and then 8 sides. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one 6, 7, and 8. So it has 8 sides. Again, let us name the different kinds of 3D shapes that we have learned. Okay, number 1, what is this? This is a cylinder. Next, we have sphere. Next, we have, what is this? Cone. And next, we have cube and cuboid, and pyramid. So these are our 3D shapes. It's worksheet time. So get your worksheet and let us answer our seek word. So write your name, your number, and your section. Now, based on our lesson that we had just recently, example, we have 3D, the name is cylinder. Write how many faces, how many sides, and how many corners. Like cylinder has 3 faces, 2 sides, and 0 corners. How about cuboid? Cuboid, how many faces, how many sides, and how many corners? Okay, so let us continue. This is a homework because we don't have class last Friday. This is about 2D shape. Now, in your notebook, draw your own robot using the quadrilateral shapes that we have learned. So this one, only this one, only this quadrilateral. In your notebook, you draw a robot. Do not copy teacher guy's robot like this. Okay, this is a robot. A quadrilateral robot. Do not put any circle. Only quadrilateral shapes. Okay, this one. Write 26. Okay, in your notebook, this is a homework. Like this one. This is teacher guy's robot. Teacher guy is using quadrilateral shapes. This one. But do not copy teacher guy's robot. Make your own robot. And that is our lesson for today. Do not forget to answer our worksheet in 3D, which is our new lesson. And your notebook, draw your own robot using the quadrilateral shapes. Please wear your mask and keep safe. Bye-bye!